you might have seen me in this Superachievers Institute, being trained by Shobit sir and Dolly ma'am. So I just wanted to share with you that I have scored 71 in totality, and speaking I got 90, in reading 67, listening 69, and writing 74. So all in all, I have applied for my expression of interest on the day when I received this score. This is very prime moment for me. I received this score after a lot of hard work done by Shobit sir, the mentoring that he has done for me, and I am really thankful for him that I have got this opportunity to step in front of you and share my experience. The overall journey of 4 weeks were very amazing, wherein the humbleness of Shobit sir and his tricking, whatever tricks he has told me, and the guidance and the support he has extended to me. The weaknesses that was there in my during appearing of my examination, he has taught me many things, and the reason why I am sitting in front of you is Shobit sir. So I just want all aspirants to be very confident while giving the examination, and all the best guys. Have a great journey with Superachievers. Thank you so much.